Think video marketing for your Florida auto repair shop is just fancy ads? Think again. Imagine turning every car that pulls in into a loyal customer with one powerful video. Picture this. A rusty old car drives in, then transforms after your expert repair. But here's the twist. Over 70% of customers say videos make them trust a business more. It's not just fixing cars, it's fixing trust. Now, what if you captured behind the scenes magic? Real engines, real hands, real stories. That emotional connection can skyrocket your bookings overnight. From concept sketches to real customer smiles, video is your secret weapon. Ready to shift gears and accelerate your business growth? What story will your video tell? The future of your shop is just one frame away.